crowned himself poet of prophets, but poetry don't save empty pockets. Compton's choir hums while your pulpit lies. Poetic misfire, lamb disguise. You spit riddles dressed as scriptures divine. Double prophet act soul and billboard lines. Triple section 80 saint with platinum chains. Kunta's throne bent to corporate gains. You said control, shook rap spine, but lost control when bars flatline. You preach rebellion, but kneel for stats. Pulitzer plaque, don't change the facts. You ain't a savior, just an actor on stage, writing psalms for mogul cages. Clicker T sermons, echo Dyer, poetic crown, poetic misfire. Poetic misfire, false messiah speak. Clicker T shots, pierce your mystique. You sold the choir, silenced the street. You got no smoke. Poetic misfire weak. Black hippie night swords all blunt. J-Rock drown Absol in the funk. Schoolboys Q got no answers to give. Dynasty's pillars forgot to live. You led your brothers to sandcastles sinking. Rock colored dreams while TDE shrinking. Black hippie promise but never bled. False brotherhood, chained and dead. Click a T, sparks torch the choir, pull strings burn. Poetic misfire. Poetic misfire, false messiah speak. Click a T shots, pierce your mystique. You sold the choir, silence the street. You got no smoke. Poetic misfire weak. Poetic misfire weak. Poetic misfire weak. From high power with a solid mogul shade. You left the people for boardroom praise. Triple, every real bar was Hollywood script. Double warrior poet, but your lance don't rip. Pulitzer saint, but prophet ain't. Compton cries, your murals faint. This is judgment from streets you sold. Click a T prophecy, truth untold. Poetic misfire, false messiah speak. Click a T shot.